computer's missing.
Little boy, 6 years old.
Whoa, wait a minute, there is pictures missing. The ones with you, Casey, and Luann and Eric.
Never school,
Are you listening?
Yeah.
The picture of you, Luann, and Eric, and Casey is missing. I'll go back and look at the other one. Yeah, just missed it.
This is not unforgettable. It's not what
Aha, I found it.
Windows
Which one?
That I'm passing through. This is just a stop on the way to where I'm going. And I'm not
You have your head down on both of them. Which one do I pick?
This
I'm
is
getting one of them, whether you
my
like it or not.
temporary home.
Whether you like what I'm doing
Like
or
I
not.
said, this super was like Anna and like or whatever.
Especially since you chase Casey around all over the damn place anyway.
Part of the court, part of the thing that you bring home. Alright. Thank you.